Avoid common mistakes with phrasal verbs. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are going to delve into a fascinating part of the English language, phrasal verbs. More importantly, we'll discuss some common mistakes learners often make when using phrasal verbs. Remember, understanding these common errors can dramatically improve your English fluency. So, let's get started. Phrasal verbs are verbs that change their meaning when followed by a preposition or an adverb. Their use is incredibly widespread in everyday conversation. A simple verb like look can take on different meanings depending on the word that follows it, like look up, look after, look into, and look over. This section will clarify the concept and common usage of phrasal verbs. Here's where we get into the meat of our discussion. There are several common mistakes that English learners make when using phrasal verbs. Misunderstanding the meaning. Phrasal verbs can be tricky as the meaning may not be intuitive based on the words involved. For instance, give up doesn't mean to give something in an upward direction. Instead, it means to quit. Using the wrong preposition. Another common mistake is using the wrong preposition. The preposition used in a phrasal verb significantly changes its meaning. For example, run into means to meet someone unexpectedly, while run over means to hit someone with a vehicle. Splitting and separable phrasal verbs. Some phrasal verbs can't be separated, even when a direct object is present. For instance, look after can't be split into look the kids after. Not splitting separable phrasal verbs. Conversely, some phrasal verbs should be split when a direct object is present. For instance, turn off should be split into turn the TV off, not turn off the TV. To avoid these common mistakes, practice regularly. The more you use phrasal verbs, the better you'll understand their usage. Use a good dictionary. Many dictionaries specify whether a phrasal verb should be separated or not, and provide example sentences. Context is key. Try to understand phrasal verbs within the context of a sentence. This will often help you to grasp the intended meaning. That wraps up our discussion on common mistakes with phrasal verbs. I hope this video has been helpful and that you feel more confident using phrasal verbs in your conversations. Remember, mistakes are a part of the learning journey. The goal is to learn from them and improve. Keep practicing, and you'll surely master the usage of phrasal verbs. See you in the next video.